Welcome to this video on how routers actually work. We will be exploring the core concepts that define how data moves across the internet, including IP addresses, routing tables, and packets. A router is a network device that forwards data packets between computer networks. It connects your local network, or LAN, to the broader internet, or WAN, by reading destination IP addresses and determining the best path for each packet. An IP address is your device's unique digital address on the network. Private IP addresses, like 192.168.1.5, are used within your home network. The public IP is assigned by your internet service provider and is visible to the rest of the world. The routing table is essentially the router's brain. It stores known paths and best routes for sending packets, matching destination IPs with the correct interfaces and gateways. If no specific path is found, it uses the default route. When you request a website like Google, your PC sends a packet to the router. The router uses its routing table to find the best path. Network Address Translation, or NAT, then converts your private IP to a public IP, allowing the packet to hop through the internet to the destination server, which then responds. NAT is necessary because IPv4 has a limited number of addresses. It allows multiple devices on a private network to share one public IP address by using different port numbers to track each connection. Every piece of data sent is broken into packets. Each packet contains a header with source and destination IP information, a payload with the actual data, and a trailer for error checking. The time to live, or TTL field, prevents packets from looping endlessly by decreasing with each router hop. Routers, switches, and modems each have distinct roles. Routers connect networks and route packets. Switches connect devices within a network using MAC addresses for local traffic. Modems connect you to your ISP by converting signals and do not make routing decisions. In summary, a router forwards packets between networks using IP addresses and a routing table. NAT allows multiple private IPs to share one public IP. Packets carry headers, a payload, and a trailer, with TTL preventing loops. Each network device, router, switch, and modem serves a specific function.